Hi guys, I'll film an extra train for you, but here we have a Penrith service arriving on platform 4. You guys can't see it that well, here it is. This train's going to Penrith. It's just an extra vlog, it's just an extra video for the vlog. This train's going to Penrith. I'm on the train.
Straight up.
This train will be going to Penrith.
You're doing a bad job.
Are you honest? You've been so annoying. Alright guys, this will be the last train.
Go, then we stop when we cross. You can't cross by yourself. Wait, Daddy. It's right. Here and there is the same. You're gonna go there and wait.
That's it. Platform 4. We have a Penrith service water. No set of water there. And just started. Send. Day 33. Anyway guys, I am going to wrap up the vlog now. Go give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate them so much. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye for now.